Hello you guys. So today I got a package. This is a haul video, and I got a package from this person here on Instagram named Loveli Aromati. Loveli Aromati. And if you can see there, it says scented bath, body, and wax treats. So not only bath and body, but wax as well. And her name is Mariana. As it says, handmade with love by Mariana at loveliaromati.com. All right. Now, this is going to blow you away because it's blowing me away. And I really love, when I open this box, this is what I found. Okay. And I saw these on her site here on Instagram, and I was really interested in these, as naturally I would be. And so these are all chakra bath bombs, you guys. So, and this came in this. So now I'm gonna just unpack everything and show you what I have here. So look at this. Okay, I mean, and already a butterfly and candy, because I love Pop Rocks and I love blue raspberry. Thank you so much. I love getting candy, you guys don't know. Oh my gosh, look at these little decals and stuff. Okay, oh my God, look at all this. Okay, so here we have Don't Be Coy Crumble. Koi, get it? K-O-I. And it says, place in a warm bath, watch the show, lay back and enjoy the lovely aroma. So very nice. And it has lovely ingredients: baking soda, Epsom salt, cornstarch, kaolin clay, sweet almond oil, etc. So, oh my gosh. What is, oh my God. I can't believe this bath bomb. This is a bath bomb. And look, here's the cool part. Let's see if I can put let's see if my old ass can lift my foot so you can see my socks. Those are my socks. They have cats on them, so I love this, and they're the same color as my socks. I love that. Oh my God. Okay. All right. So I'm sorry. This is everything right now. This is everything. Okay. So there's that. Oh my goodness. Then, and look at this. It looks like quartz or something on the bottom, right? Oh my God. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. This is this is a chakra bath shot. This is the root chakra bath shot. Let me just take them all out for right now, and then I'll go through all of them, everything, okay? So these are all the chakra. These are all bath bombs. They're called chakra bath shots, if you can see. Oh my goodness. Let me take them all out first. Oh my God, look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous bath bomb, Mama Sveta. Oh my God. This is made in the USA, by the way. Oh, wait till you see. Wait. Oh my God, it's so cute. It looks like henyatta. Ooh. Ooh, that smells so good. This is called Sweet Peep. How cute is this? Oh my God. Okay, you guys are going to freak out when you see this. Oh my God. This is the prettiest thing I have ever seen. And you guys, what you can't do right now is smell what I'm smelling. I'm smelling Twilight from Lush. So I'm going to make a leap that this is a Twilight scented dupe bath bomb. It's called Spring Fling. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Look at, oh my God, it's a bomb pop. That's just insane. That's insane. I mean, okay. Here's the root chakra. This is cedarwood, vetiver, myrrh, and oak moss. All right. And naturally it's a deep, nice, rich red. And then the sacral chakra, orange, bergamot, clary sage, and ylang-ylang, as naturally it would. And that lovely orange, which I love. And the notes are perfect for the chakras. The next one is the Loveli Aromati Chakra Bath Shot, and this one is the this one is the third chakra. It's lemongrass, rosemary, spearmint, and grapefruit. Ooh, that sounds good. Look at that bright, lovely or yellow. The next one is the heart chakra. It's lemon, tangerine, cypress, and rose. Nice emerald green color. Next is the throat chakra, peppermint, basil, bergamot, and chamomile. And that nice clear sky blue. Oh, gorgeous. Next, my favorite, the third eye chakra. This is clary sage, marjoram, patchouli, and sandalwood. And that's royal blue. Next is the crown chakra, lavender, myrrh, frankincense, and jasmine. And that's violet. I am just insanely impressed. I don't even know which one I'm going to want to demo first, okay? I mean, I think I'm just going to, first of all, put my chakra things here. So that was Loveli Aromati here on Instagram, and she has a website as well. And so look forward to me demoing these gorgeous bath bombs. Talk to you guys later. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.